Guten Tag alle miteinander. Good day, everyone. This is Easter Stuff, and here again, war. What is it good for? Absolutely nothing. War of the Giants. Let's go with 2 boosters from... Oh, 3? No, let's go with 2. That's 2, yeah. They're pretty thick packs, as they contain 15 cards, and I need some cardboard ladies in my life. This daylight edition, I hope the lighting is adequate. I know over here it's already getting a little bit dark. As I'm filming, it's 3rd of December, and time is 13:51 or close to 2 p.m. Alright, attention! Yes, attention! Evil Swarm Oblivisp. That's another tongue twister. Needle Sealing that I have. AD Changer. Warm Jetilips. Okay, another tongue twister. Majestic Mech Gurui. Big Eye. Oh, that's pretty freaky. Let me zoom on that one a little bit. Focus. No. Pretty freaky. Lots of eyes. Heroic Challenger. Night Watchman. Let's see. Lucky Iron Axe. And actually, I do have my application already started, and I have the background, so let's see. Number 11, Big Eye. Okay, add with scanner. Let's see. Next one, Arch Fiend of Gilfer. That's cool. Looks like a dragon. Let's see. 261, ultra rare. Then Archfiend of Gilfer. Ooh, Blackwing Elfin the Raven. This one is 34 cents. Okay. Adhesion of Trap Hole. Oh. 20 cents. Considering I find a buyer for these. Then back to square one. Yeah, that's what I've been doing. After that $2.61. Oh, oops. Excuse me about that noise. Yeah. There seems to be a few other versions. Have to check back to square one. Yomi Ship and Wall of Illusion. Whoa, that's pretty freaky, but also quite cool. Let me see if I can get a little bit of focus on that one. Quite, yeah. With my own eyes, it looks pretty cool. Okay, back to square. Oh man, this gosh darn it. Collection Yu-Gi-Oh! Without the dashes, or okay. Back to square one. And now it's not reacting anymore. What a bummer. It was working so fine just a moment ago. You gotta be kidding me. I mean, you heard the beeps and you heard me say some values. That's messed up. Okay, but so far that was the number 11. Big Eye was our bigger pull, or my bigger pull today. That ship is pretty cool. Yomi Ship. Kind of like a old style Viking ship in a way. Alright. And another pack. War of the Giants. There's lots of thinking about war and conflicts and all that. There's a lot of political conflict going on here in Finland. Well, I'm not too interested about it, but of course I read the news a little bit, but it's quite depressing altogether. School Kraken released a Kraken. Sauropod Brachion. Okay. Mega Phantom Beast Black Falcon. Yeah, couldn't be any longer name, could it? Urak Galim. Alright. Destiny Hero Defender. Something green, that's a stim pack. Alright, yeah. Take your steroids. Energy drink. Take your vitamins. Power Breaker. Playful Possum. I think I got this from previous pack. Mega Phantom Beast Tether Wolf. Another long name, wrap your tongue around that one. Safe Zone. Alright, let me see if this application. Cyber Prima. Oh, that's beautiful. Let me see if I can get this application to react. No. Oh well. I'll check them later on. It was really weird because, I was able to. Well, such things happen. Legendary Fiend. Alright. Butterfly Oak. Wait, that word. I'm thinking of a word in German for butterfly. It's pretty interesting. But now I really forget. There's a meme about it. Mechlord Army of Grano. Alright. And Release Restraint Wave. Cool. What's the last? Sergeant Electro. I do like the art style on many of these Yu-Gi-Oh cards. I've seen really bad art Yu-Gi-Oh cards, but so far what I've seen from these packs, I'm quite pleased. Especially like these cute butterflies. Actually, I have butterflies on my wallet. Oh, my wallet is a bit messy over there. It's been in use for a longer time. Yeah, but butterflies. Oh, too bad I forget the word. It's pretty fascinating, especially when you say it. And now we're getting out of focus. There's too many cards on the table and not enough light. Let me see. I'm going to show this Cyber Prima again. Yeah, too much crazy foiliness and shininess going on. Okay, come on now. You almost got me. Come on. I don't want to use that. Oh, there we go. The seal is broken. Ah, no, I messed up. Ah, too bad. I don't know any of the names. I'm just going to tell about Perfume, the Japanese band that has made several tracks for this Idol Master to my best understanding. Yeah. There's a possibility to get an autograph card. Maybe I have one more pack left of these. Ooh, that's cute. That's almost an... Wait. Cardboard ladies. Huh. That is the autograph card. Nice. That is one of the autograph card. Not one of the most valuable ones, because it's not the actor card, but it's a print on, but cool. Nice. Yeah, I'm feeling very blush right now. Cool, nice. So it's a good day. It's another good day. I feel lucky. I will continue opening up packs because it's really fun to do. And yeah, these I have asked one of my friend about the Yu-Gi-Oh cards. That maybe she. Yes, I have female friends. Whoa, I'm not so nerdy, but still. Oh, anyway, maybe she knows someone who plays, and yeah, I'm going to use the TCG player application to check about the values a little bit more. But so far, I really liked this butterfly oak card. Nice. And yeah, this is the bigger pull today. I know there's version of the human voice actor, and those can be quite expensive, but I would say this is a pretty good pull. Yeah, I have Haruhi Suzumiya coming up, and there should be also be a possibility to pull autograph cards, and now I'm just shaking my hands like a crazy Italiano. Ciao a tutti! Yeah, okay. I welcome you back again to Easter Stuff, and I remind you to be excellent to each other.